Approval for the government for the procedure of the implementation of the 100-point roster regarding the allotment of the reservation of PG seats for SC, ST, OBC, EWS in GMC. Inbound tour operators incentive schemes of 2026. Creation of the one post of the deputy captain port in the captain of port group A gazetted post in the captain of port department. Inclusion of the inspector of the factories and boilers as the department in the business of the Government of Goa allocation rules of 1987 with the allied businesses. Appointment of the consultant and the technical staff on the contract basis under the Director of Health Services for the Tuem hospital. National medical guidelines follow करपा खातीर हे जे आसा पयले टायम टू टायम कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसचेर घेवचे पडटा तांचे गोवा पब्लीक सर्वीस कमिशनाक वचूंक जाय. गोवा पब्लीक सर्विसांक कमिशनाक गेल्या उपरांत जे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज रिलेटेड पोस्ट हे गोवा पब्लीक सर्वीस कमिशनांतल्यान भरपाचे आसता. तुवेचे पोस्ट इज ऑल टुगेदर 97 पोस्ट फॉर द स्टाफ नर्सीस 50, रेडियोलॉजिस्ट 1, ECG टेक्निशियन्स आणि MTS हाऊसकीपिंग धरून आमी तेजे 2 तारखेर इनॉग्रेशन दवरलेल्या आणि 2 तारखेक इनॉग्रेशन जातलें.